Hello my dear subscriber, our friends and our lovely fans. Welcome back to our YouTube channel and your favorite channel, Fashion Addiction. My dear friends, we have provided you some of the brilliant new outfit combinations and interesting ways to update your sense of styling, and based on the feedback you are submitting. So friends and my lovely fans, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of leopard prints, pencil skirts designs for lovely women. My dear friends, these leopard prints, designs and looks are very pretty and beautiful as well. And friends, definitely you will love them all. So friends, here is the fun thing for you all. If you like them all, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you can never miss any future update from my channel, Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you don't press the bell icon, you will miss my further videos, and I don't want that you will miss any update from my channel. My dear friends, these leopard prints skirts are very comfortable and gorgeous that you can confidently wear them without any worry in formal or casual events. So friends and my lovely fans, you can freely ask if you want more updates of any topic in comment section. I will definitely try to upload the latest collection of the articles or outfit or whatever you want. So friends and my lovely fans, with a log of new fashion trending videos launching seemingly every day, there are more and more chances that my videos influence your next outfit every day. Friends, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of leopard print skirts designs for lovely women, and these are only selected for you to maintain an impressive fashion sense of you. My dear friends, as we always try to make our subscriber stays updated about latest fashion, living style and much more. So friends and my lovely fans, I will wait for your kind comments, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and it would be an honor for me to serve you daily if you hit that like button also. Friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Love you all.